There's the ones where you need to take one shot and then another one like a few weeks later. Those are
Yeah,
more effective, but
yeah,
still, they only
yeah,
last for like 3 months, I think.
yeah, exactly. In between, God will save us. Between first and second. I think it is almost going to done. I were in Washington, Redmond. You know Redmond?
Say it again.
Redmond. It is in Washington, D.C. Your
Hmm.
Microsoft headquarters is there. So I was there.
Oh,
I was there for 3 days. From it was actually a paid trip by Microsoft itself.
that's nice.
Yeah. Looks perfect. Everything is successful. No issues, no error. All succeeded, succeeded, succeeded. Click close now. We done that part.
I don't think it wants me to close.
Hold on. No, I think that we lost the control of the server itself.
Oh,
Just 1 second. Yeah. Look at that. It is saying disconnected. Wait for a sec. Yeah, I think it's all done. Let me to close this one, close this one. And when you have a SQL installed, you get this option. Okay. And there you get an option called SQL Server Management Studio. You see here, SQL Server Management Studio. So let me make it pin to a taskbar. And also, I am going to pin to a start. All right. So let's click that one. It is going to launch an SQL Server for me. This is called Management Studio, through which we are going to manage my SQL Server. We can create database, table, so on, so on, so on. Yeah, click connect now. I think it's a tools, very small font, right? You able to see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Connect now. All right. Now you see you have a left hand side databases, right? Yeah. Expand that one. So by default, you see we have system database, right? There is no database for a SharePoint, correct? Now only two database. One is system database, and one is backup of the database, which is called a snapshot. Since we have not deployed or installed SharePoint so far, so there is no database of SharePoint. Okay. Now we are going to change some setting here. You see below you have a security. Click that one. Click login. Expand that one. You get a user called SP admin, the third one. Yeah, double click that. Or right click properties. Yeah. The last one is a properties. On the left hand side, you have a server role, the second option. So through server role, we are going to give permission to my. Now just select the second one, third one, second one, third one, and after public, yeah, just click checkbox. Yeah, then after public, there is a security admin. All right. After that, there is a server admin. Click that one also. Wonderful. Click OK. Now we have to repeat this process with all other account which is coming below. We have to click as system also, do the same thing. After SP admin, there is a system. Yeah. Server role. Second one, third one, Then after public, security admin and a server. All right. Click OK. Yeah. Then next. Sometimes the connection gone, I believe, right? Yeah. Try this one. Okay. Let me do it for you. Huh? Hold on. I think that connection is gone. So when the connection gone, exactly you are not able to take the route. Just hold for a moment. Click OK. Click SQL Writer. I'm going to do it for you. Server role. Same. So this is the way you assign permission on SQL Server. So if there are multiple people who is managing the SQL Server, how they are going to do that. Okay, all right now. So we done that part. Now we have to install or download the SharePoint. So we are going back to lab manual and we are going to select a SharePoint. We need to copy this one and then there. First one. I think we lost the connection, so we have to wait. Yes. Now this is to download SharePoint. So this is a download option. So I'm going to say download. I'm going to say save. Just wait till the time the download completed. What's the time there?
It's 12 o'clock over here.
Exactly.
Yep, right in the middle of noon, 12:03 or 12. I don't know, one of those. My alarm clock is 3 minutes fast.
Okay. Just give me a sec till the time it's downloaded.
Mhm.
All right, it's done. So we have to reboot the server. Let me, because we've done the SQL installation. So I think this is what, yes. Let me reboot. Now we are finally going to install our SharePoint. If we are not using Azure now, then it is going to take longer time because we have to also install the operating system.
Hmm.
This is what I have given the presentation on SharePoint. This is me.
Nice.
So this is in Redmond, Washington, in a Microsoft Office.
Use Office, MS Office, consistently, whether they are sharing or whether they are working. Top management also want to increase productivity at the same time. And then the users is like to store all their kind of.
So this presentation also covered in Washington Post.
Hmm.
I think when you
That's
go
awesome.
to, yeah, I'm not sure if I still it is there. So if you search, somewhere you will found, it's all about me only, but somewhere you will found the link where I can go and where it is published in a news. All right, so let me to have login here. That point of time, SharePoint called as a MOS, MOSS, Microsoft Office Hour. So this here PASS T1234. I think we are good to go now to install my first SharePoint server. All right, click the folder on the taskbar. Hold on for a minute. So I think we have downloaded in download directory. This one, right? Click that one. Office server. Double click. All right. So now here you see a prerequisite installer. Just click somewhere else. You see prerequisite installer. Yeah. So this is going to install prerequisite before installing SharePoint. Hit that one. Double click. It is going to open. I think it's running. Just hold for a moment. I think it's running below. Just click somewhere outside. Yeah. I'm able to see on my taskbar. Yeah, it's all perfect. Yes. So next. So this is going to prepare my server. to install SharePoint. And so next. Look at that, what the first thing it is going to configure. IIS role. Are you able to see?
Mm-hmm.
Right? It is first installing the web server because your SharePoint going to run on web server. That is the reason why we are able to access it using web browser. There are so many prerequisites it has, and it is installing one by one. All right. So say it's finished. Perfect. So it is restarting the system as it. Just wait. Yeah, say yes.
Of data on the cloud store, right?
Let me to close this one. Yeah, just click OK. Yeah, go back to folder. Yeah. So go back to download folder. There you get Office server. Click that one. Double click. We have done the prerequisite installation. Now we are going to deploy SharePoint. Maybe you can right click and say install. Just say mount. First one. All right. Now you get an option of setup below. Red color, you have a setup. Hit that.